In today's modern and asymmetrical battlefield, our combat brigades face a multitude of lethal threats from a determined enemy. Iron Fist Light is a cutting-edge system which employs both optical sensors and state-of-the-art radar to locate, track, and defeat all airborne threats. Iron Fist Light demonstrates its combat effectiveness by being the lightest, smallest, most capable multi-shot APS solution available for protection of armored and light armored vehicles, while substantially increasing the intercept distance, minimizing the residual effects of large threats, and improving the rapid salvo capability.